In this video, we'll explore how GoHighLevel simplifies analytics, turning complex data into actionable insights. Let's dive in and demystify analytics together. First up, the user-friendly interface. GoHighLevel's dashboard is designed for clarity and ease of use. It's about making data analysis accessible, not overwhelming. Navigate through your data with intuitive controls and understand your audience behavior at a glance. Customization is key in analytics. With GoHighLevel, you can tailor your reports to focus on what matters most to your business. Create custom reports that align with your specific goals and track the metrics that drive your success. But it's not just about numbers. GoHighLevel Analytics reveals trends and insights, helping you to make informed decisions. Integration is seamless. GoHighLevel Analytics works harmoniously with your existing tools, enhancing your overall marketing strategy. And for those of you who love details, GoHighLevel Analytics offers in-depth reporting on Google Ads, Facebook ads, and more. You'll get a comprehensive view of your full marketing effort. Whether you're tracking conversions, monitoring calls, or analyzing appointment data, GoHighLevel has you covered. Diving deeper, let's look at how attribution reporting can shine a light on your lead sources. Knowing where your leads are coming from isn't just helpful, it's crucial to optimizing your marketing spend. The conversion report isn't merely a collection of data points, it tells the story of your campaign's success. See at a glance the journey from lead to customer, visualized in intuitive graphics. And the source report gives you the why behind your traffic. It breaks down each channel so you know exactly where to double down. What about calls? Call reporting isn't just about volume, it's about understanding the how and the why behind customer interactions. Appointments are the lifeblood of service-based businesses. The appointment report goes beyond numbers to give you insights into customer commitment, showing up, rescheduling, or canceling. It's visibility into your customer's experience. By integrating with Google and Facebook ads, GoHighLevel doesn't just report on campaigns, it helps you interpret your digital narrative, translating clicks and impressions into strategies and outcomes. With GoHighLevel, your data does more than inform. It guides and propels your marketing to new heights. There you have it, analytics made easy with GoHighLevel. And for those of you just starting out or looking to streamline your setup, my Quick Start Playbook for GoHighLevel can help set you on the right path. This free playbook includes comprehensive training and a snapshot to get you started with this amazing platform. So it's time to rock online. Come join me with GoHighLevel and let's unlock the full potential of your marketing efforts. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights. Until next time, keep rocking it online.